Hi, my name is Erin and I just recorded this video and we were not rolling. Okay. Woo. Take two. Alright, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Okay, so this hair is from Siddity Hair Life. I will link the other video down below. I think I have a 16, 18, 20 with an 18-inch 5x5 closure, if I'm not mistaken. I know this is definitely like a 5x5. It's not a regular closure, but if I'm not mistaken, I think that's what I have. Okay, now this is the, I don't know if I said it, but Indian wavy hair. So let me show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. Look, like I said in my last video, I have never had any Indian hair or whatever, but if this is what the Indian market look like, can I get the Indian, please? I don't even want the Brazilian anymore. I said Brazilian. I don't even want the Brazilian anymore. Like, I don't want Brazilian, I don't want Malaysian, I don't want Peruvian. Can I get this? Okay. I don't even want the raw hair. Can I get this? Can I get this? I don't want this. Is this raw hair? I don't know. I just know she said Indian. It says Indian wavy. I like this hair. Like, I have been in love with this hair. Y'all, this is my go-to wig. When I pick out a wig to wear for the day or wear for an occasion, I pick this hair up because it just looks so look. Can anybody look at my part? Just look at my part real quick. Okay, look how far back this part goes. Do y'all know this part go almost back to the middle of my head? Okay, you know what? I can't. From the packaging to the customer service to the shipping, everything was immaculate. Okay, everything was great. I love it. Like, it's just, I love it. I love it. The owner has such a good spirit. I feel good wearing the hair. I look good, don't I? I look good wearing the hair, and I just like it. I just really, really like it. It looks natural. I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. People are like, what kind of hair is that you got in your head? And one major pro of this hair, I don't even know if I have any cons. Like, the only con that I would say would be that the hair gets a little dry. But that's not a big issue for me. Okay, it's not a big issue. I don't have to do a lot of manipulating with it or anything like that. But sometimes it can tend to get a little bit dull and a little bit dry. A little serum. Sometimes I use this pink spray, you know, and I just good. Little argan oil right there in the middle of your palm of your hand. Rub it together, rub it through the hair. Boom. And you don't even have to do it every day. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do it every day. You don't have to manipulate this hair every day or anything as far as tangling and shedding goes. Minimal tangling, minimal shedding. Y'all know how I feel about shedding. All hair sheds, your natural hair sheds, pubic hair sheds, everything sheds. But anyway, minimal shedding, it just has not been a big issue. Like, and like I was saying before, one major pro of this hair, it maintains this wave. Okay, some YouTubers and some people, they come on camera with the hair fresh out the pack, they haven't washed it, they ain't manipulated, they haven't did anything to it, and you see the wave, you're just like, oh, my hair gonna look like that. But after you wash it, after you manipulate it, you don't get that wave anymore. Not with this hair. I have washed this hair, I have manipulated this hair, and everything, it maintains this wave. And you don't get hair like that. Body wave does not do this. I've had one body wave hair that kind of comes back with a little, you know, a little wave. You know, natural wave hair don't do this to me. But this hair right here, this natural wavy hair, I don't know. It must got little drops of magic in it or something, because it comes back. Like, it, I can't, I don't have words. You know what I'm saying? Because I've been in search for wavy hair like this that gives me like that real loose type of wave, and it comes back. Do y'all see that? The loose wave that comes back. It's very easy to manipulate. Very easy. I don't have to worry about wetting it every day. Most of y'all see how this look right now? I go to work like this. I throw it in a ponytail, whatever. I go to work. I don't have to wake up every day and grab the spray bottle and walk out the house with a wet head and be work. I don't have to do that. This hair is low maintenance. It's very convenient. It's my go-to wig. It looks very natural. Shout out to her for the 5x5 closures, okay? Let's push the frontals to the side, okay? And let's get into this 5x5 closure. All right, because people think this is the frontal. Like, look at this. I plucked and everything. I laid my own baby hairs and all that stuff like that. But do y'all see this? The closure is very full. I haven't had no problems with closure. And can we look at the part just one more time? Y'all see the part? Okay, do y'all see the part? I can't get over it. I can't get over it. The part ain't this small. The closure ain't balding. The closure ain't too, you know, too little. Most closure are like this long, you know. I just love it. Like I said, this is not going to be a long drawn out video. I genuinely love this hair. Some days I sleep in the hair. Some days I don't sleep in the hair, you know. But whenever, if y'all can look at my floor over here, I have wigs strolled across the whole floor. I will come in here and get this wig and I'm walking out the door because I know it's quick and easy. Put it on, maybe lay my baby hairs with a little eco solid gel. I'm out the door. I don't have to put it on, spray it down, put product in it, and, you know, weigh it down to get this look. I ain't got to be like this. Scrunching. I don't have to put gel in it. You know, I don't have to do all that because this is the natural wave of the hair. This is the hair. Okay, I know y'all probably tired of me raving about it, but I really, really like this hair. Whether I would give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Oh, and here's the ends of the hair. Not thin, not scraggly. Look at these. It just looks good. Like, it looks good. Like, it really looks good. If y'all have not checked out this company, I would definitely recommend that you check it out, okay? Very nice customer service, fast shipping, you know, the whole nine. If you were looking to make an investment on some hair, I would definitely recommend this hair, okay? If you're looking for some nice quality bundles, I would definitely recommend this hair. Perfect summertime hair, perfect wave hair. If you want that little wave to your hair and you don't want to have to worry about manipulating and doing too much, you want some get up and go hair, I would definitely suggest this hair, okay? Definitely, hands down, okay? So that's pretty much it, y'all. It's not, I just don't have anything a lot to say. I'm just gonna wrap it up by saying, yes, I would recommend this hair. I have been having a good go with it. This has been the wig I've been wearing the most lately. And if you've had any doubts about it, I'm hoping that this video will definitely, you know, have you go over, click the link down below, go over to the site and make a purchase, okay? Because it is well worth it. And everybody that's trying to get this wig from me, no, not selling it. I'm not selling it. It's gonna go in the pack, in the pile of wigs that I'm never letting go because I love it. Love it. Anyways, any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below and I will try my best to get back to you, and I'll see y'all in my next one, okay? Bye.